Hi, welcome to video 4. This one is dealing with form profile development and form overbend development. So once again, going back to the settings, we have our material thickness in. Some of these other settings are not important for this demonstration, but I have a couple, excuse me, a couple part profiles drawn. And the first thing I will do is we want to unbend them sequentially until we get to a flat blank. So I'm going to take the finished form profile, copy it down, and I'm going to go to Development, Form Profile Development, or UB, and we are going to use the option of partial unbend, flat before the bend, and we're going to stay with the degrees of flat at 30 degrees. Now, if you look, the parameter section is not filled in yet, but that will be as soon as we select an outside radius. And I'll start with this part first, this profile first. You can see it's a 10 thou inside radius, the degrees of bend, material thickness, it's used an automatic K factor of T divided by 3, and will give a developed length of 0.236. I'll click OK. It asks for the fixed point. Right now this is at the movable point, so I'm going to change that to the other end of that bend, and it rolls it out. Let's do it one more time. Select outside radius, click OK. We will accept this as the fixed point, the non-movable point. Okay, and it opens it up. Now I'm going to copy it down one more time, and I'm going to completely unbend it now. UB, flatten bend, select outside radius, OK. Change the fixed point to this non-movable spot, and there's your flat blank on that side. Let's do it again on this side. Okay, we'll accept the non-movable point right where it's at, and there that's unbent all the way down to a flat blank. Now I'll do this roll-up barrel type part. Uses a little different method. So UB, and we are going to do partial curved side. So this is the before. It looks pretty much the same, and we're going to put our flats here. I'm going to accept these default values. You can certainly change them, but it does give you a nice starting point to work from. So I'll select the outside radius, and you can see it filled in all the parameters once again, and then I'm going to click OK, and it unbent it. Let's copy this again. Let's hit the UB command to start this, and we're going to go to flatten curve option method. So it's going to flatten the center out. Select outside radius and click OK. All right. One more operation. UB, oops, UB. Now we're going to go to a flatten method where it just flattens the bend out. We're not working off the center anymore. Select outside radius. OK. Change the fixed point. Let's do it for the other side. Select the outside radius. Accept the fixed point. And we're basically unbent. Just to show you the overbend now, I'm going to copy this finished part down, and I'm going to go to development, and this time I'm going to go to overbend, OB. We're going to go to, we have a few different methods, change by degrees, percentage, or inside radius. I am going to change by degrees, and let's make this, let's leave it at 10. We'll select the outside radius, click OK. We want to change that fixed point to the where the part is at die level, and it adds the overbend. Now, just to show you, it uses the same amount of material, so it had to shrink the radius, and if you look, it shrunk it down to a 0.085, where it was a 0.10. So yeah, let's do the other side real quick. Overbend, select outside radius, OK, select the default fixed position, and there's your overbend. Now I'm going to quickly scale this stuff up. Oops, I already did it over there. I'm going to scale it up to 10:1. And I'm going to do a bend allowance. Now, normally I would work off the center, but just to show you that it all adds up, I am going to just do it off of one side and go all the way around. So go to development, bend allowance, BN, scale factor is 0.1, stock thickness 0.15, accept. And then when you're done, hit A for add, and there's your 4188 1/10. But yeah, list it all. Let's prove it out, then make sure it all adds up, at least within a tenth or so. So BN again. A for add, and there's the 418. You know, we got some rounding at the 1/10 issue, not a problem. And just, whoops, and just to show you the flat blank, 418. So yeah, pretty cool. I can do I could do an overbend. I'll do one more overbend real quick. It's already past 90, so it's really not true in a real world right now, because I wouldn't have this bend going up over 90. Let me actually do that then. I'm going to break this bend down a little bit further. So development, unbend, and we are going to do another partial before. And we'll do 30 degrees, sounds good to me. Select the outside radius, OK. Sorry, I'm at the wrong scale factor. I have to go back to my 1:1 scale factor. Apologize for that. Unbend, 30 degrees, partial, OK. And yeah, change my fixed point. Do the same for this opposite side. Accept the fixed point. And now we broke it down further. Let's copy this up, and let's put our overbend in it now. So OB for overbend, change bend by degrees, percentage, or radius. I'm going to go with that 10 degrees of overbend. OK. And there you saw it move. Again, outside radius, OK, accept, and now watch that update. So yeah. Kind of cool. I'm going to make some more videos. Until then, just keep checking back, and thank you for watching.